Okay, Birmingham City Schools, let's get ready to download Microsoft Office to your MacBook. Before we jump into the process of downloading Office, let's take a look at some comparable Microsoft Office software found in Google Drive and on your MacBook. Starting from left to right and from top to bottom, word processing. You have Microsoft Word, Google Doc, and Pages. For presentation, you have PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Keynotes. For spreadsheet, you have Excel, Sheets, and Numbers. Starting from the desktop, click the Wi-Fi icon. Make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Now that you're connected to Wi-Fi, click the Safari icon to get on the internet. Now that you're connected to the internet, type Birmingham City Schools in the search bar and press enter on your keyboard. Click the link that has Birmingham City Schools homepage. Now that you're on the Birmingham City Schools homepage, scroll down and click the global icon labeled Employees Only. Underneath District Application and Services, click here. Enter your username, your password, and click Go. You have the option to save your password. It's strictly up to you. Click on your Birmingham City Schools email and click Launch. Some schools may have a shortcut located on their websites in order for you to access your email. Enter your email address and click Next. Click Work or School Account. Enter your password and click Sign In. Again, it's strictly up to you if you would like to stay signed in or not. Now that you have signed into Office 365, you will be able to install Microsoft Office. Just for your information, if you sign in directly into your email and your page does not look like this, click the App Launcher and click Office 365. Click Install Office. If you would like all the Office apps installed, click on Office 365. At this point, you will be prompted with just a few more steps. You will be able to monitor your download progress by looking here. At this point, I am about halfway complete. Getting closer. Almost there. It's complete. Click the download arrow. Click Microsoft Office. I was in the process of downloading before I started videoing. That is why I have two showing. From here, just follow the prompts on the screen from the Microsoft installer. Read and click Continue. Read and click Agree. After you've read, click Install. Enter the password you used to log onto the MacBook. Now it's preparing for installation, writing the files, removing old files, running scripts. Oh yeah, the installation was successful. Read the required data notice and click OK. Check for updates and click the red circle to close. Click the rocket or the launch pad. Here you will be able to see all the applications on your device. If you notice, I have 3 pages of applications. The 3 dots is an indication which lets me know that. Here we have page 1, page 2, and page 3. Let's go back to page 2. Click Microsoft Word. The first time that you open any of the Microsoft Office applications, you will need to sign in to activate. So click Get Started. Click Sign In. Enter your email address. Click Work or School Account. Enter your password. Click Start Using Word. Then go down here and click Word from the dock. If you are a Microsoft user, this should be familiar territory to you. Click Blank Document to get started. Now you're ready to create a Microsoft Word document on your MacBook. You will not need to activate Word again. However, remember, if this is your first time using any of the other Microsoft applications, you will need to activate them just once to get started. I hope this helped.